In this video, we're going to learn how to install or update your Magento extension. For extensions from separate domains, like CreativeMinds, you can install the extension manually, or you can use the Magento Connect Manager. No matter which way you choose to install the extension, there's a very important pre-installation step that you'll need to take. Under System, Tools, and Compilation, here you're going to want to disable the compiler. If it's not already disabled, on the right-hand side, you click that orange button to disable the compiler, and this will make the installation process much smoother. So first we're going to talk about using the Magento Connect Manager. Once you get the installation package, after downloading the extension, you can go to System on your admin panel, then to Magento Connect and Magento Connect Manager. You'll probably need to enter your admin credentials again to log into Magento Connect Manager. So even within Magento Connect, there's a couple different ways for you to install extensions. The first is for extensions that you have purchased through Magento Connect. You can follow the link provided to the Magento Connect store, and you'll search for the extension that you're going to install. For example, let's search for the CreativeMinds Multi-Vendor Marketplace extension. Magento Connect license keys are only available for free extensions. So for the Multi-Vendor Marketplace extension, it will redirect you to the CreativeMinds site, where you can then purchase the extension and get your license key from CreativeMinds. And we'll show you exactly where to find the license key later on in this video when we talk about manual installation. But if we take a look at a free extension, you can get the license key straight from Magento Connect. Make sure you're logged into Magento Connect and then click Install Now. Then you might be prompted to agree to the extension license agreement for that extension. And then you can click on Get Extension Key. Select that key, copy it, then go back to your Magento Connect Manager, enter that key, and click Install. So the second way within Magento Connect is to upload a package file. You can simply click on Choose File under the Magento Connect Manager, select the zip file, and upload it. Now your extension is ready for installation. If you click this orange button, at the bottom of Magento Connect, you'll see the installation process. And after the extension is installed, it will be added to this list of existing extensions that you have installed. Under the Actions dropdown, you can choose to uninstall any extension that already exists. And again, up at the top, you can check for new updates. This is where you can update the extensions you've installed using Magento Connect. It'll let you know if there are any new updates available for any of the extensions you have already installed. So now let's take a look at the second way to install the Magento extension, and that is manually on an FTP server. So here in this example, we're using FileZilla, which is an open source FTP file management tool. So on the left, we have selected the Marketplace installation package. Then on the right-hand side for the remote site, you want to navigate to the root files for the website where you're trying to upload this Magento extension. What you're going to need to do is on the left-hand side, select all of the directory files and then upload them, and the extension should be automatically installed on this site. Now, when you're uploading manually using the FTP, after you upload those files on your FTP file management system, you'll need to return to your admin panel and go to System and then Cache Management. So what we're doing here is clearing the cache. We've already uploaded the extension, so you don't need to worry about installing the extension. That's done, but we do need to clear the cache to keep your site running fast and smoothly. Here you're going to select all of the cache types, then go over to Actions. You want this to be Refresh, and then Submit. And this will refresh all of those caches, make them brand new for your new extension, and all of the necessary changes to the database will take place. So the last step you're going to need to do is enter your license key if you've uploaded this extension manually. Your license key is sent in your purchase confirmation email, and you can also find it whenever you need it on your customer dashboard. Now, if you want to access your license key, renew your license key, or download the latest version of an extension, you're going to need to access the customer dashboard on the CMind site. Click on Account, Customer Dashboard. Here you can register for an account. When you register, you can choose a username, provide your first name and last name, and the email that you used during checkout. Go ahead and register and then log into your new customer dashboard account. On your customer dashboard, you're going to navigate to My Purchases. Here you have your purchase history where you can view the details and downloads included in all of your different purchases. And what we're going to do now is view the licenses. So as you can see, I purchased the multi-vendor marketplace, and I can click on this golden key, get my license key here, and then bring that license key into my admin panel. Go to Licenses. After you've installed the extension, enter the license key under the appropriate extension and save that configuration. So now on the left side, you should be able to see all of the configuration options for the extension that you have uploaded and installed. If you're not seeing these configuration options, you're more than likely going to receive a notification on your admin panel about what exactly is going wrong. Maybe you haven't entered the license key, you haven't cleared the cache. So this is an easy way to troubleshoot if you're having a problem. Another common issue is if you've already used this license on a different store and this license use is limited to one store, then you're going to get an error message telling you that this license has reached its max number of uses. So if you want to install Marketplace on more than one server, you're going to need to get a different license key for that second installation. You can begin to configure your extension. For example, let's go to the Marketplace extension configuration. Another troubleshooting issue, you might receive a 404 error on this configuration page, and this happens during the first installation sometimes of a new extension. So the solution is really simple. All we need to do is just refresh the access, and that means logging out of your account, logging back in, and this should solve that 404 error message issue. We recommend to all of our customers to install the extensions manually using an FTP file management system, because you might get some errors entering your license in the Magento Connect Manager. So to update a Magento extension, we recommend that you do this manually using an FTP file management system. And what you're going to do is overwrite the previous version of that extension's file. Don't worry at all about losing your data, losing your configurations, losing all of your records. All of your data will stay intact, but you are going to need to overwrite those older files and follow the same process as installing an extension manually. Thank you for choosing Creative Minds.